New OpenClaw update is insane. Mistral AI is now built in. It remembers everything, it's in 5 languages, and they fixed over 40 security issues in one update. This is the AI tool update you actually need to know about. Now let's get into OpenClaw 2026.2.2 because this update is packed, and I'm going to break down every single feature, show you exactly how to use it, and give you real examples of how tools like this can help you grow a business with AI. And we're talking Mistral AI integration, multilingual memory that actually works across 5 languages, a built-in auto updater, parallel cron runs, over 40 security hardening fixes, and a browser extension that stays connected. That last one matters more than it sounds. Let's go. So first, what is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is an open source AI client. Think of it like a hub, right? You connect different AI models to it, you run them, you automate with them, you manage memory and conversations across them. It's a power tool for people who are serious about using AI to run and grow their operations. Version 2026.2.22 is one of the biggest updates they've shipped. Let's start with the headline. Mistral AI is now in OpenClaw, chat, memory, and voice. This is huge. Mistral is one of the best AI models available right now. It's fast, it's smart, it's open, and now you can run it directly inside OpenClaw with full chat, memory, and voice support. What does that mean in practice? It means you can have a real conversation with Mistral inside OpenClaw. It will remember what you said and it will talk back. Here's how you'd use this for something like the AI Profit Boardroom, which, by the way, is the best place to scale your business, automate your work, and get more customers using AI. We'll talk more about that in a second. But picture this, you're running the AI Profit Boardroom. You want to use Mistral inside OpenClaw to handle your content planning. You open OpenClaw, you connect Mistral, and you say, you are a content strategist for the AI Profit Boardroom. Our community helps business owners save time and get more customers using AI automation. Plan a 30-day content calendar focused on AI automation tips, productivity wins, and community success stories. Mistral comes back with the full 30-day plan. And here's the key part. Because memory is now built in, next time you open OpenClaw and talk to Mistral, it already knows who you are. It knows your brand. It knows your goals. You don't start from scratch every single time. That alone saves hours. If you are using AI tools like OpenClaw and you want to learn how to actually use them to grow your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you want to be. It's a community built specifically to help you scale with AI automation. Real tools, real use cases, real results. Link is in the comment and description. Now back to the update, and the voice feature means you can talk out loud, get a response back, and work hands-free. You're building something, you're driving, you're on a walk, you keep working. This is what real AI integration looks like in 2026. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated features in this update: multilingual memory, English, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, Arabic. OpenClaw now remembers your conversations across all 5 of those languages. That's not just a translation feature, that's memory that works no matter what language you're operating in. Why does this matter? If you're growing a community like the AI Profit Boardroom globally, and a lot of us are, your audience is not just English speaking. Your members, your leads, your customers, they speak different languages. And when you're using AI to build content, handle outreach, run automations, you need the AI to understand context, not just words. With multilingual memory and OpenClaw, you can have a conversation in Spanish, switch to English, and the AI still knows who you are and what you're working on. Here's a real example prompt you could use. In Spanish, soy el creador de AI Profit Boardroom. Quiero crear contenido para hablar con mi audiencia en español sobre cómo la automatización con IA puede ahorrarles tiempo. That translates to, I'm the creator of AI Profit Boardroom. I want to create content to speak to my Spanish audience about how AI automation can save them time. OpenClaw remembers that. Next session in English, you can say, continue with the Spanish content plan, and it knows exactly what you mean. This is how you scale globally without hiring a team of translators or starting every AI conversation from zero, okay? 1/3 of the way through, and I have to mention this, built-in auto updater off by default. This one is smart. OpenClaw now has a built-in auto updater. It checks for new versions and can update itself automatically, but, and this is the important part, it is off by default. Why does that matter? Because in a business environment, you don't want your tools updating themselves mid-workflow without you knowing, and especially when you have automations running, especially when you have integrations connected. A surprise update can break things. So the team at OpenClaw made the right call. They built the updater in, they made it easy to turn on, but they left you in control. How do you turn it on? You go into your OpenClaw settings, find the update preferences, and toggle it on. From that point on, OpenClaw will check for new versions and update when you're not using it. For most individual users, turn it on. It's convenient. You'll always have the latest version without thinking about it. For teams running automations, keep it off. Update on your schedule, test first, then deploy. That's the professional move. Crone, parallel runs. This one is for the people running automations. And if you're in the AI profit boardroom or thinking about it, this is the feature you want to understand. Cron jobs are scheduled tasks. You tell OpenClaw, run this task at this time, every day, every hour, every week, whatever you need. Before this update, cron jobs in OpenClaw ran one at a time, sequentially. Task one finishes, task two starts. Now they run in parallel, multiple tasks at the same time. Here's why this is a game changer. Now, let's talk about the 40 plus security hardening fixes. I know security updates sound boring. Stay with me, this matters. In one release, the OpenClaw team pushed over 40 security fixes. That is a significant number. And it tells you something important about the project. It tells you the team is serious. It tells you they did a deep audit. And it tells you that if you were running an older version, you needed this update. What kinds of things do security hardening fixes cover in an AI client like this? Things like how your API keys are stored, how your conversation history is protected, how the tool handles external connections, how it manages permissions, whether your data is exposed when you're running automations. For anyone using OpenClaw in a business context, and especially anyone who has sensitive client data, community data, or workflow data running through it, these fixes matter. The practical takeaway: update 2026 to 22. Do it now if you haven't. Don't run the old version when there's a patched one available. And if you're managing a team that uses OpenClaw, push the update to everyone. Make it a policy. This is not optional if you're running a real operation. And now the browser extension that actually stays connected. This one sounds simple. It is not. Browser extensions for AI tools have a problem. They connect, they disconnect. You're mid task, you go to use the extension, and it's dropped the connection. You have to reload, you lose context, you start over. It is one of the most annoying things in day to day AI tool use. OpenClaw fixed it. The browser extension in 20.6.2.22 maintains its connection. It does not drop. You can be working in your browser for hours, switching tabs, opening new pages, and the OpenClaw extension is still live, still connected, still ready.